Hello friends, a very good evening to everyone. I'm Sai Roja. Today I'm back again with a very powerful book, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. So in this book, like those whoever started reading this book and whoever starts believing what it is in the book, definitely their life is going to change the way however they want to live. Yes, the very first thing is what is the definition of this secret? So Rhonda defines the secret as the law of attraction. So what is this law of attraction? Yes, our thoughts decides our life. I'll tell you what it is exactly. So whatever the thought we have in our mind, there is some frequency to that thought. So in universe, there are such frequencies. So whenever we release a thought to the universe, the same frequency which is in the universe matches to that frequency of our thought, and it gets reflected to our lives, in our lives. So whatever thought we have, whether it may be a positive or whether it may be a negative thought, whenever we have a thought in our mind, then it automatically reflects to us at some point of time. And one more thing, this universe don't have any negotiations. It don't consider any negotiations. I'll tell you what is that negotiation exactly. So it is nothing but I don't want to go by walk, or I don't want any rhino as I need to go outside. This don't want, the universe don't consider. So it only takes want to go or raining, or this is the way it don't consider any this negative kind of words. So our thought should be in such a way, it should always be very clear. I'll tell you one more thing. For example, I want to lose my weight. So for that, what I need to think is, I should be clear, like I want to have a weight of some 45 or 50. This is what I want to have in my mind, nothing else. Not I want to lose so and so, I don't want to be a weight of this much. I should not have that kind of negative thoughts. If I have my thought clear, it will get to us eventually from the universe. So this is what the law of attraction is. Our thought is nothing but a magnet that attracts or that reflects to our life. So we have many thoughts a day. For example, we have like 65,000 thoughts we get in a day. So to control all those thoughts, it is not really an easy thing. We cannot control all those thoughts. So in this book, it was also given some kind of tips where we can control our thoughts. The very first thing is meditation, and the next thing is the affirmation that I am the master of my thoughts. So when you add this affirmation into our daily affirmations, when we start listening to it and when we start feeling it, we can control our thoughts. And the next thing is, our feelings are the reactions of our thought. If we have a sad thought, like if we have a negative thought in our mind, our feelings are in such a way, we have some kind of bad feelings. So these feelings is nothing but the universe warning that your thought is not correct. So we are getting some kind of warning from the universe through our feelings that you need to change this thought. So if we are happy, like if our thought is a good one, or if it is filled with some joy, then our feelings are in such a way related to that. But if it is a negative thought, definitely our feeling changes. So at that time, we need to shift our thought to a positive one. Don't resist your thought, because resist will persist. This is the one thing which we need to remember. And when we shift our negative thoughts to positive thoughts, yes, we'll get some time from the universe. Like universe don't give us immediately what we have thought. So there is some delay in reflecting our thoughts back in our lives. So in that delay, if you have any negative thoughts, we'll get a chance to change them into a positive thought. So in this way, we can change our thoughts. And the very first thing in order to reflect a good things in our life is we should ask the universe first. So believe that the universe is a catalog. Whatever we order, we'll get back. That is the first thing. And when we have a thought, like when you want to have something in your life, be clear with that. For suppose you want to have a very luxurious car, you want to buy a very luxurious car. So for that, you need to have a very clear thought. What is the kind of car do you really want? What is the brand you want? Or what are all the specifications for that car? Or what is the cost of that particular car? Like this is all the specifications you need to fix. Okay, when you have that, just write it down on a paper, and repeat it again and again. When your thoughts when you have repeated thoughts, that will reflects into your life. So when you ask that, it should be very clear, your thoughts should be very clear. Okay, and the next thing is believe that whatever you want to have in your life, you'll get it at some point of time. Okay, don't go for how you are going to get a, don't worry about those things, because as I said, this universe is a catalog. When you order something, you don't bother about how they are going to prepare it. In the same way, don't think about how. Believe 100% that you want to have something in your life, that you are going to get it. And the third thing is receive. Yes, you are going to, like, you received it already. Visualize in such a way that you have already received it. And for suppose I have told that you want to have a car, you want to buy a car, right? So in this receive process, just think that you are already on that car. You are feeling that senses, like you are driving that car. You can feel the speed of that car, you can feel the luxury of that car. In that way, you need to visualize everything. So these are the three things which we need to have in order to in order to get whatever you want to have in your life. Ask, believe, and receive. So this secret will apply in every aspect of your life. The secret to your wealth, this is the secret to your wealth, and this is the secret to your health, and this is the secret to your relationship, and this is the secret to the world, and this is the secret to you and your life. Okay, I'll tell you example for each and everything. The secret to your money. So money means, don't think about the debts what you have, because when you think about you want some money in your life, you used to feel that I need to fill these debts, so I want to have the enough money through which I can come out of this debt. So this is not how you need to think. So you need to think of the wealth. So for the next year, how much it should be in my account, or for the next 3 to 4 years, how much you should have in your account. This is how you need to have your thinking process. So when you think about it, as I said, don't think about how or anything. So just release that thought that you should have something into your account at this particular point of time. So this is how you can get you can get money in your life. So, and one more thing, visualize that you have some bills, like you need to pay some bills in your life, right? So visualize that those bills are nothing but your paychecks or your pay slips. Okay, visualize that those you are already getting in your account. So in that way, you can change your negative mindset to positive thought, and eventually you'll get it in your life. And the next thing is the secret to relationship. So if you want to have a very good partner, the right partner in your life, first you need to have love and respect towards you. Love yourself at the extent whatever you can. And then your actions, your words, and everything should be in such a way that your perfect partner is already in your life. So then you can get the partner how you want to have. And the next one is the secret to your health. So we have a principle that we have a belief that if we are sick, if we have medicine, then it will get cured. This is the belief everyone have. But if our thought process is in such a way that we can cure anything within ourselves without any external treatment or any external medicine, yes, definitely we can cure it. There is no such word like incurable. So if you have that thought, like you are sick, so if you are sick, like not very much, if just you have some kind of headache or anything, don't tell that to anyone, because if you tell that, it gets increased. So don't tell that anyone. And one more thing, if you have some any disease in you, just think that, make your thought process in such a way that you don't have any illness, you are completely free. So if you believe that and if you live your life in that way, definitely in some point of time, after a few days or few months or few years later, whatever the disease may be, whatever the illness may be, even the doctors might have told you like it is it cannot be cured, don't believe that. It will be cured at some point of time. If you believe that, like if your thought process is in such a way that you don't have any illness, this is the secret of to your health. And the next thing is the secret to the world. And we may think that when we thought of having something, if everyone have the thought of something, everyone will get that, and we don't have enough in the universe. Don't think that this universe is abundant, and whatever you want to have in your life, that frequency is already fixed to you, particularly in the universe. So don't think that there is no enough thing in the universe. Okay, it is abundant. Whatever you want in your life, you are going to get that if you have that thought clearly in your mind. And the next thing is the secret to you. The secret to you is nothing but you are nothing but the energy, right? So energy is nothing but which cannot be created or cannot be destroyed. So if you think in that way, you can define your life, you can create your life in your own terms. Okay, no one can take that out of your control. So this is a secret of you, this is the secret to you, like how you need to design, how you can design your life. And the next thing is the secret to your life. The secret to your life is nothing but the love. The how much love you give to the universe, that much you'll get from the universe. Live at the moment, enjoy each and every moment of your life. Okay, then you'll come to know, like you like that is the secret of your life. It is nothing but just love whatever that comes to you. Don't try to make any complaints of your life. Okay, make your thought process very clear and very positive towards your life. Think that you are very you are lovable or you are respectable in the universe, so the universe will give it to you back, the same thing. And we have a conscious and subconscious mind. Okay, this conscious mind will control only 10% of our thoughts, whereas this subconscious mind will control 80% of our thoughts. So what you need to do is you need to tune your subconscious mind in such a way that whatever the thoughts you have, like you are already in that. Whatever you want to have in your life, you already living the same kind of life. Make your subconscious mind believe that whatever you want to have, you are already doing it. So if you have the thought process in such a way, the law of attraction will definitely works in your life. So this is what The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. So when I read this book, I was really very much I can believe that, and I can visualize that, and I came to know how my thought process should be. Yes, I'm getting a negative thoughts definitely in a day. At the very first day we cannot control those, but if we start practicing it through some meditations or some kind of secret shifters, where if you have any negative thought, try to shift that to a positive thought by listening to your favorite music, or by playing your favorite game, or by watching a favorite movie, or by watching some kind of comedy movies. If you could do that, you can change your negative thought to a positive one. So by practicing all these things, we can control our mind, we can become the master of our thoughts. So this is all the things which I have learned from the book The Secret. So if you get time, try to read this, try to acquire the knowledge which it is in that, try to believe it completely, and just see the changes in your life. Thank you so much.